bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. A step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.
What are we doing?
We've got to film episode 7! I don't know what to cook.
We've really lost our way the last couple of episodes. Like, I think we've kind of forgotten the ethos of Coventry Kitchen.
We've got no roots. We've let the publicity and the fans get to us, I think.
It's all gone to our heads.
We need to go back to our roots. We need to go fresh. We need to go fast. And we need to go easy for folks at home.
Easy for folks at home. I've got it. How about fish and chips? We go to the beach, we catch the fish ourselves.
Easy.
We get that farm fresh potatoes for the chips. Easy for everyone at home.
I love it. Alright, let's get going.
Yes!
Does we need anything for the beach?
No, I think we're all good. Get it fresh ourselves.
Coventry Kitchen.
Coventry Kitchen, fresh produce as always.
You got the keys? I don't have the keys. I thought you had the keys. It's your car.
Car's here though. What the hell?
Didn't Adam take the keys last week?
Oh, he did.
Where's Adam?
Which way to the beach, Luke?
South. It's always south to the nearest beach. You should know this, Oscar. Do we have to cook fish? I really like fish.
Sorry, I'm concentrating on the road. Which way do we go?
That way!
I need to bring bathers.
We're not swimming. We're fishing.
What?
The fish are in the water. The fish are in the water, not us.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Why are we in Dan's, Oscar?
Huh? Oh, aren't we getting beers?
We're going to the beach.
Oh no! What the hell?
Was that in the back? Your car sucks.
Yeah, this car's messed up, man.
Oh, whatever. It can't be bad. Are we at the beach yet?
Doesn't smell like the beach.
Oh.
Do you know where we're going?
I thought I did, but I don't really.
I have no idea what street this is.
I think this is west.
I went to that park once with an old flame.
Oh?
Beach! Whoa!
Why is there water?
Now the hard bit. Finding a park.
Oh, there's one over there.
No, that's a no. Careful. What a beautiful day.
I love the beach. Let's get fishing. Adam?
So what are you guys cooking?
What is that?
I was in the boot. Let's see how Luke's going with the fishing. Come on. They're out there somewhere. How long does this normally take?
Well, I'll tell you a secret. I've never caught anything, but I have a great feeling about today. Like, honestly.
So, approximate.
Like, I spent about 6 hours here for nothing. But today...
Oh, this is taking too long.
What is he doing?
I think he thinks he's going to catch a fish. I was just about to catch one. He actually caught something.
Oh my god.
It's not very big. Do you know how to cook fish?
I've never gutted a fish before.
I'm just going to get changed into something dry.
Well, I'll cook the fish.
I'll head off to the farm and go pick up some potatoes.
Sounds good.
All right.
Nice farm fresh.
See you later.
See you, man.
Oh, that's much better. Where's Luke actually?
He just went off to get the potatoes from our official Coventry Kitchen Associated Partnered Farm.
I didn't know we had a farm.
It's a new budget.
Oh, all right.
So I'm going to cook the fish. I'm
Yep.
going to show you a classic way beach fish cooking.
I look forward to it.
Well, actually, I passes. The ancient Mesopotamians used to cook fish this way. They used to use hot coals, but here at Coventry Kitchen, we are carbon neutral. So we're using geothermal energy today to cook this fish perfectly. It's a nice 20-minute cook.
20 minutes?
Yeah,
All right.
pretty efficient actually. This is a pretty good area. It's a pretty magical, spiritual area.
What I was feeling, something.
So you just got to sense, you got to just like, not quite right. This is a place of power.
I don't feel anything. Is this the spot?
Yeah, if you take your hands and you can really feel the geothermal energy just radiating through. Just
You know, I think I feel something.
so let's get digging. Now that's what I call a hole. And now we just want to cover the fish up, trap that heat, that energy, and the fish will be done. Just
20 minutes, yeah?
20 minutes, succulent. It even gets the seasoning from the salt from the sea.
Oh, I didn't even think
It's
of that.
just
Yeah, yeah.
perfect. It's just amazing. So let's
Fantastic. Let's
let's
cook this, man.
see you in 20 minutes, mate.
So what are we going to do for 20 minutes?
Well, we're gonna play some bowling.
All right.
Oscar wins.
Good game, man.
Good game.
Yeah, well won.
Where the is that fish?
Oh, look, you're back. Had the farm go.
We don't have an affiliated farm, and it's so.
How's the fish? Ah, the fish. Yeah, yeah. Well, Oscar showed me how to traditionally cook it in the beach, like the Mesopotamians used to do. And then we played some volleyball.
Oh, I missed out.
Yeah.
Where's the fish?
Oscar's gonna go get it, I think.
No fish.
No potatoes.
This show's a piece.
What are we doing here?
I don't know, man. We came all the way out here. We got nothing to show for it. This is a terrible episode of Coventry Kitchen. Like, what's even the point of filming the last episode? Like, the show sucks. We're going to get cancelled.
No
Like-
one's going to watch this episode, let me
Yeah,
tell
yeah.
you.
Like, far out. What am I even doing in my life? I can't even cook. Like, when's the last time I even cooked in this show?
I dropped out of uni for this show, and I got nothing to show for it.
Oh, my mum is gonna be pissed.
I'm so in debt.
Yeah, I took a huge loan. Huge. Like, we're talking, like, can't pay back sort of.
Oh no.
Guys, it's not that bad. Come on. We've had worse episodes. We've had better episodes too. I mean, remember Adam's eggs? We could do that again. We could reach those heights.
I'm so hungry too.
Oh, I'm so hungry as well.
Oh, and I hate fish.
It's so cold. It's really cold today. Like, this is a terrible day to go to the beach.
Remember when I said it was a good day? It wasn't. It was raining.
I'm giving up. I think I'm gonna quit.
Come on. Yes, the beach sucks. You don't have to be in the beach. You're in the kitchen. Let's cook some food. I'm so hungry. The beach. This show. I'm done.
Coventry kitchen.
Guys, come back. Please.
Oh my god! Are you okay?
That's a fish.
A fish! Wowee.
That was amazing.
Perfectly cooked. The wonders of geothermal energy.
Clean it.
Let's eat. There's only 1 week left of Coventry Kitchen. Tune in next week to catch the season finale.
That's right, 7 weeks and it's all been leading up to this.
There's gonna be drama
Romance.
Action.
and romance. Make sure to tune in. It's the big one. See you then.
See you then, guys. And remember, bye.